make. This is where things get more interesting with the slalom and figure of 8.
So if you look at the diagram, I'll explain what I want you to do. At present, you're here. I'm going to ask you to ride a slalom.
The first step is to ride between the yellow cones, and when you reach the 2 blue cones, you have to ride a figure of 8 for 2 complete circuits. Don't worry if you lose count or get carried away here.
And you're finished.
Okay.
Thank you.
You'll be signalled to when you have completed the task, then you must pull up close to the examiner.